Every AI agent shipped this year runs on the same trick. A chatbot wrapped in a while loop. That's it. That's the whole idea. 3 things by the end of this lesson. The loop itself, drawn from memory. What the model actually sends back, and how to read any agent product page without flinching. Part 1. A chatbot is one round trip. You send text, the model sends text back, and it's over. An agent changes exactly one thing. The reply is allowed to be an instruction, and your code is standing there ready to carry it out. 4 steps. The model reads everything so far and proposes an action. Your code, not the model, executes that action. The result gets written back into the conversation. Then the model reads it all again. Round and round until it stops asking for actions. The model proposes. Your code disposes. That gap is the entire architecture. Part 2. People say the model uses tools or runs code. It doesn't. A language model emits text, nothing else. What makes it look powerful is that some of that text is structured, and your program agreed in advance to act on it. This is a real tool call, a name and a JSON object of arguments. Read it plainly. The model is saying, I would like to run search flights with these values. It cannot. It has no hands. Your runtime parses that, calls the actual function, and gets a real result back. And here's the part that surprises people. That result does not go into the model's brain. It gets appended to the transcript as more text. Every step, the whole conversation is resent from the beginning. The agent doesn't remember the last step. It rereads the notes. No hands, no memory. Just text in, text out, and a loop keeping score. Part 3. Once you can see the loop, the marketing gets quiet. Every agentic feature you've read about is this same loop with one piece swapped. Reasoning, the model writes its thinking into the transcript before proposing. Multi-agent, one agent's tool is another agent. Autonomous, nobody approves the actions in between. Computer use, one of the tools happens to be a mouse. Same 4 steps every time, which leaves one honest question. When does it stop? 3 exits and you write all 3. The model stops asking for tools, or you hit a step limit or a cost ceiling. An agent without a stop condition isn't autonomous, it's just expensive. Lock it in. An agent is a chatbot plus one loop of code. The model only ever proposes text, your code is what executes. And every agentic buzzword is that same loop wearing a costume. Next lesson, we open one tool call all the way up, including the moment it fails.